Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your fishing store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, fishing store. There it is over there. There is an option for a hunting and fishing store as well, but this one's specifically fishing. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our fishing store. I'm going to go ahead and put in our company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? So I'm going to go ahead and put our phone number in as well as our email address and click continue. Where is our fishing store located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our street address over here, as well as our postal code, and click continue. Awesome. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open at 9 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. I'm also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. I'm closed on a Sunday. Awesome. What time do we open on a Sunday? Nope, we're closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review. Make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my fishing store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, just as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see. However, if you've got your own images of all the different fishing products in your store and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom and making my way through just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to the top, and the first section I'm going to click on is over here. There we go. The first thing I want to do is click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our address, our physical location, and the great thing about that is when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's make sure that's saved and head over to update social links. Now over here, you can type in the various social media platforms that your fishing store is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to hit update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your fishing store, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. Now, if you don't have a huge budget for a logo to hire someone to design it, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are some few great options on there that are free to use. Logo has been updated. We can make it bigger or smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Now, with Marty Sites, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your fishing store. We've also gone ahead and pre-selected the colors. However, perhaps the signage throughout your fishing store, your business cards, your logo, maybe it's a completely different color to this one that's been pre-selected over here. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different options available. So I quite like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. Awesome. Let's head to update section over here and head to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search the photo library. There are hundreds of free images to choose from. However, you do need to get a little bit creative, so it will automatically search for fishing store, but I'm going to go ahead and search for fishing tackle and see what pops up. Awesome. We can also try fishing rod. Let's go ahead and try that one, although that image is pretty suitable. Let's see. And there it is again. I'm going to go ahead and select this one over here. I think that's pretty awesome. Let's see that one. That looks really, really great. Now I'm going to head over to update content. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. We can put get directions, for example, and head over to choose link. Now you can link to another website, you can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. For this one, I'm going to set it as directions. But another great option is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a catalog of all the different fishing products you stock in PDF format. Go ahead and upload it. That's an option. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Over here, again, pre-written content just as a guideline. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and make the changes by clicking on update section. We've now made our way into about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've had your fishing store for, are you a keen fisherman yourself? Go ahead and put all the details over here, a little bit of background story so your customers know a little bit more about you and how your business came to be. This image is absolutely stunning, so I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is. I really love that image over there. Over here, again, another perfect image, very high quality, completely free to use. If you don't want to use it, head to update section and upload one of your own. But I think that image is absolutely perfect, so I'm leaving it as it is. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details of what your fishing store offers. Do you offer rods, reels, lures, tackle, fishing line, baits? Go ahead and put all those details over there so your customers know exactly what they can come to you for. And look at that over here. If you want to make any last changes to those trading times, hours, and your physical location button, head to update section and make the changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our fishing store in not even 10 minutes. I've made a few changes. I was actually pretty happy with the starting process, what it looked like when I first began. The images are absolutely stunning. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days when you start a free trial. So give it a go. Click on the link below this video. You've got nothing to lose. See how well it works for you in your business. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and go through the various steps available to set up your domain by clicking on I already have a domain. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over with a step-by-step guide over at www.martysites.com. Click on the blog and find the step-by-step guide. There's also some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. If you don't have a domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've just introduced the feature recently. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching and managing a website for your fishing store. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your fishing store. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, or if you need any assistance or you just want to let us know your feedback, we'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Mighty Sites service.